Hey there! Today's video is going to show you how to save time when you're using your phone for social media posts or any kind of writing actually that you're doing. Now you're joining me, Andrea Gribble. I am the owner of Social School for EDU, and my company, we serve hundreds of schools across the country with K-12 social media training. So today's video is all about saving time when you're typing out things on your phone. You can use this easy feature called text replacement. Now, I'm an iPhone user, so I'm going to show you how it is on your iPhone. You simply go into Settings, General, Keyboard, and then Text Replacement. Once you're in the text replacement, you actually can select a shortcut key, and you can set up common phrases like I have, like my school district hashtag. I've actually even set up my email, and basically every time I type, for example, the word N and a space behind it, it is going to type out my hashtag New Auburn. You could do your school district. You can see there I've got, when I want to say D for district, it'll type out the whole name. You guys, this will make your job so much easier when you're actually doing posts. You could even do common replies that you have to emails or, to comments that you receive. Saving you time, and time we know is money and sanity. So I hope this tip helps. I want you to take advantage of that on your own phone. Set them up. Let me know what you think. Now, if you love tips like these, you're gonna love my new video series. It's the Social Media Secrets for Schools. It's free. 3 15-minute videos teaches you all I know about the foundations of a successful social media program for your school. And you can sign up at socialschoolforedu.com/secrets. Until next time, you guys, keep telling those stories.